Hi friends, so this video shows how to change capacitor of submersible pump. This is the control panel of submersible pump. So here we can see main. Here we need to connect power from the main power supply. Then here we need to connect wire from the motor. So this is the wire which is going to motor. So here you can see 3 wires, red, yellow and blue. So we need to connect these wires here. Red will go here, red, yellow, blue. So let me remove the cover of this control panel. So inside you can see one capacitor, then switch, then LED, diode and resistor. And you can see this capacitor is connected to this red and yellow wire. Red and yellow. So these are the cables which is coming from capacitor. So if you want to remove this capacitor, just remove these 2 screws. After that we can remove the capacitor like this, capacitor cable. Then to remove the capacitor we need to remove these 2 screws. So we can remove capacitor like this. Then we can take it out, and here we can see the value of the capacitor. It's 36 MFD plus or minus 5%. So this way we can replace the capacitor. When you connect capacitor, make sure that you connect it to red and yellow port. So if you are confused with the red and yellow port, you can use this cover, just close it. Then you can find which is the red port and which is the yellow port. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So inside this cover you can see the circuit diagram. So there also we can identify where we need to connect this capacitor. You can see it's connected to red and yellow, red, yellow. Parallel to that the capacitor is connected. Okay.